let us talk about the secret weapon that every software engineer needs in the year 2023. Hey there guys, my name is Anshul, and today in this video I want to talk about that what could be the best secret weapon that you need in the year 2023 if you want to be an efficient and a good software engineer. Now you guys know that I want to talk about ChatGPT, and this application over here is not to create a full code using this software. I want to tell you how this software can be your best search engine, how this software can be your best error handling friend, and how the software over here can solve your broken codes and save you some time. Now I know whenever you want to create a software and you are stuck somewhere, now you need to Google each and everything. And you know what, when you are with this ChatGPT over here, if you want to be an inspiring software engineer just like me, let us say you do not know about a specific programming language and you want to learn about that, what is React. Now what you can do is that you can go to ChatGPT and you can put yourself into a very intuitive conversation. Just ask it, what is ChatGPT, how is this thing helping me in become a good software engineer in 2023? What are the constraints? What are the job packages? You do not need to use the code React each and every time. You can just ask question after question after question, and this thing over here, it knows that it is being an intuitive conversation and it will give you each and every answer. So this is the first thing. You do not need Google to be a software engineer these days. You need ChatGPT, because this one over here, it works like a teacher and it will solve each and every query, each and every question that you have when you're starting your career as a software engineer in 2023. So it will even tell you what is the scope in the very specific country, what are the jobs that we get in this very specific country about this very specific programming language, what is the scope in the coming future 5 years, and so on. So this one over here, I really recommend instead of searching all those questions on Google. Now the second thing is the errors. Now myself being a tech analyst to start with and transforming my career to a software engineer, I know that it could be a hustle for a new software engineer to solve the code if you're getting into some errors. Now I know you can go to Stackoverflow.com and you have a lot of solutions. You being a new engineer, what you would do is that you would copy paste that entire code, and you do not know if that code fits your entire code or no, or if it is a broken code, or if that solution over there is the one that is actually made for your own solution or no. And you get into troubles and you take about 6 days, 7 days and 8 days, and at that time you do not even know that even after 8 days you are able to complete that code or no. Now this thing is very helpful, because now you know that this is the amount of code that you wrote and this is the error. Go to chatgpt.com, paste your code over there and ask him that this is the code and this is the error that I'm getting in that code. And this thing over here, it will help you solve the problem, and it is very easy. Rather than going to stackoverflow.com, github.com and all the questions here and there over Reddit or Quora that helps you solve the solution, this one over here, it will save your time, and it is the one that allows you to understand the concepts way more better, because even with those errors, it will tell you what is this error about, what is the particular solution, why this particular solution is helpful. And again, you can ask multiple questions rather than reading on Stack Overflow and waiting for the reply from the other developers answering each and every question in there. So hey, solving the errors is the second thing that I wanted to put towards how this thing is a secret weapon for you in the year 2023. Now completing the broken code. A lot of times when your code is broken, you do not know what to do next. Might be a particular library that you are using is not the one that is being handled or being taken care by a certain developer. There might be a few bugs in there. Now what you can do is that you can copy paste the code on ChatGPT and ask for the alternatives. Might be if you're making an application where you can convert one file format to another one and save as is the library that you are using, and that library is not being maintained right now. Now you can ask ChatGPT that what is the other library and a maintained one which I can use to complete this code, and here you go. You can complete that code and save yourself some time. time. So that was what I wanted to talk about in this video, my secret weapon that I wanted to share with you in the year 2023. If you are starting as a software engineer, or if you are already a software engineer and you have some issues with your code and you want some very helpful tool to help you complete that code in the year 2023. That was me, Anshul, signing off. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys at the next one. Peace.